Yes, I am Makwaba, the Badwam TV, Badwam, and I'm going to go so emotional. Sunny D. Kankai, and no Shemobo, and then Brenny View do 100 days. 100 days, yeah, lunch, yeah, Pahon to my multimedia, yes, election headquarters, so the now the SM, and then any Pahon to my BB for election home. I fear about one, you hear some J, yes, you hear some J, and then any lunch, yes. Inti Bibia will be a journey and about non swan at Bibia Abebro, say manifestos, Ahodwa, politicians, no area tuja, both MPP, NDC, Amone, Omama Comodeba, and CPP for so as some of the Omodia Bantino, Bibia, a fine election when they are joining in. Yes, this is your election headquarters, multimedia, it's Ansi and I say, Adom TV, Asempa FM, Insure FM, Adom FM, my join Adom Online, yes. YouTube, Facebook, yo baby joining in and then for BB and bro now who's an election no so I can see and come about power more and my summer semi can see him and some and now upset is here Real Madrid how much for my boy into my boys I share no paper but Vilman Vogo yes I then what we boys we this go moto to boys Munkama and two mu yem na should be because so and then so yeah shall see in Spanish La Liga no match you know eto jana so na me kan Real Madrid a trade for my boy yeah I'm on Leganes at the 1-1 now clearing Mbappe a train. Hey, now Vinicius train, now penalty be better in a palm. Or yeah. Now Radinia Real Madrid. Yeah, now you're just highlights in my coy. I know any copy more Sasuna Girona, and you Sasuna Girona boss Sasuna Kana, I want to make some other canteen. Now, 3 year matches in Ebeguso at was now than when you Spanish Liga matches in Betwas, and interest and matches in Ebetia and our 3 away and interest in FC Barcelona. Yes. League leaders, 3 out of 3. It's almost called the 4th match. You're interested in Shomoni Real Valladolid and at Bepimso, Atletico Bilbao, and Atletico Madrid at Bepimso, Naki Williams, Obeba Ghana, in the match, Onyebi, Embo, Espanyol, and Real Valladolid at Bepimso, Valencia, and Villarreal at Beposo, Leganes, and Real Mallorca at Beposo, Sasuna Deportivo Alaves, and Las Palmas, and Omni Madrid at Trade Rono at Bepimso, Sasuna Osasuna, and Ceuta at Bepimso, Sevilla, and Girona at Beposo. Getafe and Real Sociedad. That's now Real Madrid. The Galacticos on the 4th match. I'm Real Betis here. Send Ebekoso na hey Real Madrid out of 3 matches. Omo winning back about drum you know. I'm that fit position. Yeah, sure send Ebekoso. Yeah, share the EPO. Yeah, share no so matches Ebekoso now. 3 match of the week Liverpool. Yeah, sure send features no so Ebetie na what we dey Ebedin papa Arsenal and Brighton at the Bepimso Brentford and Southampton. Hey, Everton and Bournemouth at the Bepimso Ipswich and Fulham Leicester and Aston Villa, Nottingham Forest, any Wolves at the Bepimso, Samsung West Ham, any Manchester City match we goes BPM papa. Samsung Kwesiada match Ebetojano, Chelsea, and Crystal Palace, Newcastle United, and Spurs at the Bepimso match of the week. Manchester United, any Liverpool, Samachi, Emubaya Dimbruta, Machi, Emubaya Dimbruta, Manchester United, any Liverpool. Yes, and best now, and then in Franchise and Fufu and the new format, at the Mother Champions League, at Jana, new format, Senate, Team Bia, Team Bia, about 8 matches. Nemo, Team on and about first match, no, and you're one and about return leg. Return leg, no different opponent, Nebeshia, Sansuna, the big kind of group be automatic, were qualified to the next stage, and that's a round of 16, no, now you're signed. Asakema na masabu bomu na 8 ebeka no omasakoka 8 o ma qualified that no na question international fixtures no at a big class no ya hwese na almost omo de na be si akọ na ya de Abramo yes o hwe Arsenal bebo Paris Saint-Germain hey Charlie Arsenal group em where you obebo PSG obebo Inter Milan obebo Shakhtar Donetsk obebo Atlanta Arsenal obebo Dynamo no about Deportivo hey Sporting CPA Monaco and general, yes, Arsenal, fixtures in any into Arsenal, a defense. Now, Omomaka na Kobobo Mwa, na ya share Senebesi, Akona, say Arsenal to me, qualify every group more a mobile, but group name Manchester City, almost so I'm international, Ebepim so. Won, Sana Medica kind of Obo way home, Obi different match away into Manchester City, so Ebebo Inter Milan, also Bebo PSG. Obebo Club Brugge, Obebo Juventus, Obebo Feyenoord, Samsung Sporting CP, Esabebo Hobium, hey, Sparta Praha, eso any Man City bebo, na Omasan any Bratislav, eso area premiso, Samachisi in a Mubedin, ye, Yanko Liverpool, so hey, Afie Mubedio, Liverpool, Ebeshia Real Madrid, hey, Omeshia Leipzig, Omeshia Leverkusen, Omeshia AC Milan, Obeshia Lille, Obeshia PSV and Hanover, Obeshia Bologna, hey, Obeshia Girona, Radinyame, Liverpool, Emubedin, a free Champions League, no, Emubedin, Senam di Kankano, Senam di Kankano, first team, sir, Mubedi first, group, no, automatic, qualify to the next stage, and that's a round of 16. Na BBI sorted. Na mo amaka no, mbesa bobo ho na ya sa afa winners na makoka ho na round of 16 na akoye old formula ni biem no bia bobo ne ho na ya hwe obedi nkunim afi na yemba o man Ghana mu ne hwe the course so nyame Adom next week Thursday and the Blasters of Ghana and Angola AFCON qualifier they be prim so e baba ya Sports Stadium no and head coach the Mother Blasters of Ghana coach Otto Addo Eden Mbrantie no edin ebeto dwa na we no nsama or the two dwanie.
At the moment, and for me, it's not about Ghana Premier League or French Ligue 1 or England Premier League or Bundesliga. It's about the players, and we need the best players to reach our aim to qualify for the AFCON. And that's for me the most important thing. I don't care where the player comes from. If I'm convinced, and that's it. So at the moment, these are the 23 players which I think are the best to help us in transitioning my idea of football and what I want to see and how I think we can beat Angola and Niger on the pitch. And that's why they're in. It hasn't got anything to do with which league they're playing in, and surely some leagues are maybe higher rated. If I think about the British Premier League, it's very high rated in my eyes. And if you can compete in that league, you definitely have a squad, place in our squad. But like I said, at the moment or in general, it doesn't matter to me which league a player is playing in. But if I see the performance and the performance can fit in our system, then
yeah, share set players no by Ochina na dodo na abepiem ewo man Ghana na Monday ombe shake up kakra ewa Accra Sports Stadium na Tuesday so no omo to 9 if you Accra area kokuma se no mo de ahobwa na akotoa so na Wednesday so omo training kakra shake up kakra be koso na away country and I say Angola so ebepem so training na Thursday match na be so Ghana any Angola e wo baba ya Sports Stadium any DH the be sibia ne fine come yes I ka say ha ayo head election headquarters yes Adom TV launch and I say 100 days na want to ma tem kuchu the be sibia no e be bro bonus so pe e take off na bibia koso ye na any fan chance from no na head coach and I say coach J.E. Sapon e dey ato aban and office Ministry of Youth and Sports enim say ombo homoden so omda ni we need to whole resource center na omo si na ombo homoden adaklu ene wo e be yi a osraban any ministry so ombe wie sa stadium no e ma ofuo
Wafin Pino and Adom Wacheni Emono from Mantaman Moswafo, Dr. Lecha Archibald, Eddie saw a pemofom, Yao Ma Ho Quine say, in Penfobet Miasha, Senahu Adakulu Youth Resource Center no, was CC. Yana Win Wash and Musaire Swapaswa, Abosume Dum watching Tamodie, no Yenina. Na Fin Pino and Adonomi no from Hodida, in Penfotish so my Ghana Emono. Eho Adakulu Youth Resource Center Honum, and Odini Nano Copiemo. Ne Frida Sedge Mediano Equo Sono, in Penifo Janet J. Moa, Amasapia Honomono etitia pansam, and Nam Swinteno. Now watching me in Rechemono, Mabuno Copia, Wohon more from who say, Voter Sports Crusaders Association, Edia de Saramoma Koto Ghana, Pine when you send Kebeya, Resource Center, one share, then Menuya 1 year and Fama Womo.
The one who was given the contract to do, you know, let me say, well, hand over, no, there are some terms. And they should go through by the terms and then go and do it. Yes, I know. The next 2 years, the whole thing will collapse. Football, I say, a year about for the radio. Until Sanka won't boom no more because I check so many years old and I pack it down still see.
Wamanas one more, what in crime money, one more wombo ball, a woman Ghana Mona Manonina say, on Badwam.
Stars a bubble. Many others played football here. this same pitch. Oh, we're playing the league over here. I see the pitch is like this. Oh, so even there are philanthropists. As you tell them about that they want to do something for people. But no one can say they will pack or they'll come, they'll get this.
Yanko Kutukubo boxing and Shansaman also a more former IBF bantamweight champion Joseph Kenkon Agbeko Ede Jumedi bi etuja watundi dinse fight night na Jumedi no or Chese and Kabe ya membuno omoni je boxing wono mombra sebe ya Ghana so yebenya akukudam e boxing mo.
Legend Joseph Agbeko or in the foundation abebo ade a ene on Game TV adwumako na kampomu ya November ne de toso nwotwe or the boxing bout ade be hyehyɛ so se na be ya or the beboa na memo a omoda senso bobo boxing akwachire no abamu the sa boxing ya to din the next generation no ebe baso e wo Eastern region a Kitase basketball arena ho enyagro
grow talents, the boxers that has the potential to become champions, so that I can use my experience and everything that I've acquired in this sport for me to be able to move them and push them to be able to achieve the full potential of their dream.
Na see you at my Game TV, Miss Bibi Bright, and so sinani age ewo dwumadi a wode aba no omoso meta na chi ene de obehia bia no omeyaba na Ghana yenya talent bebrina.
We are still going to engage some public figures for their support in terms of them coming, and also do some marketing and media publicity in that side of town. It's very clear. Say, and you'll be an a bit to me if you are, and then you'll be an a bit to me aba. Intino omo hono sono. I think there are a lot of people. Sebi, who boxing in real life that, this is a chance for them to also come and also experience the game and see the love and
yes, Yanko Songo Stick, the birthday man himself, Patrick Osei Ajiman, you can call him Countryman Sogo, Fireman, and I don't pay Otimenka, Mema Wachemesa, so Emma Awadapa.
Fantastic one, Medase.
Nyami Enshira, papa. More fire.
15 years as Fire for Fire Sports Group.
Sure.
15 solid years.
15 solid years.
TV song radio, you may share your radio, me fan can over 15 solid years.
Sure.
I was TV song Fire for Fire.
More fire.
A lot of impact. Our Ghana sports. Fire for Fire. It's me, I'm making a good way. You make it. And I see everything. Around the mama, yes, sport. It's me, more than 26 years as journalist, as sports journalist in Ghana. May more than 26 years. And Yami Diaba. Yami will be part.
Sure.
Fantastic.
More fire.
Okay. And then me take Black Stars coach. Onya is walking can say now. I don't care. What is the meaning? I don't care. Me power. Then he piauka. It also we Jumanuma Black Stars Ghana. Na eso ye ni. Ni yung se Black Stars ayi Black Stars ye Jacob ye bobola efe eye papa. Ni selection na o see eye based on merit no. As in say based on performance. Onya ni sembi okeke. Ocha tie ewo djuma we mu as the second coming. Ne captain the day ayi. Ne first 2 matches as in World Cup qualifier. Oyede oyini film okache say just that 2 matches. Moving forward obemi ehun ni ekoso. E dey no otimi kache o press conference na say efa captain because one time friend bi em. Say o fe captain ni bi ma na say captain of national team na wo coach no uhia no wa no magana for yehu ekwan a wo de captain e fa so ni ate ye ho ate the captain beba biem ana oma biem because coach Otuado ni kwanso of national team ni say on e coach nti or ye ni opia no or say ne celestial performance base. Say omo bobo performance ne ye enye no kure da goalkeepers no Walakot performance very na oputu up ni team was Scotland so head one ni goalkeeper Walakot performance very goalkeeper no performance very no oputu up matches say no order matches very no order onya bi na or your bench warmer and the performance based now so the year selection of last stars no obwa trainer scout otuado obwa enye no kure obehweli ya hweniye otiase na o serve enkofo interest also serve Ghana for nyina interest o masters o pay masters but a taxpayers money editia oka otiase agency players no edaso wo. Fair enough, agency players. Say we me agency player. More bonu Ghana to me Jacob Onimboa any problem. But average players need you performance there. And na mama ba kupe Jojo Walakot goalkeeper no on some fataso be blasters wo. Ne performance to say enti coach Otuado trainer scout uchantro. And Torana Ucha Obwa. Uya Quadro, why Quadro went to me and scouting, papa, proper scouting. Wakoya Quadro because when you're Ghana for, when you're cheap money, on some Fatasenka also coaching blasters. When you're cheap money near the mouth, it Uba no Babatina press conference. I say, nah, and no, bro, for me, I don't care, whatever. We are Ghana, yeah, we are press conference, can it be? And I don't care, you don't care what. First thing, on my captain, the day are you now when you film. Your first 2 World Cup qualifier matches now catch say but after that, Ubami the way forward. The way forward, they say the day are you know. So penny BM as captain of Blasters, to Bobo Ama Blasters BM. Send the performance, yes, send the performance in yet. Me and Tia Wasi. And yet be keke, our Blasters was say when are you to Adom, trainer scout, coaching team, ni how Pibiana or the national team there. Your mind national team, and you will be team, and you will be personal team, and your Ghana national team blasters. If you coach here, my auntie and Wasi, oh yes, Celestine say performance based, perform Koka say, Songo, squad with the squad with Nuabe, who's and go for Bobo arbitrators, Umuya Liama. Chef squad knew not player to play a quarter a performance. Say, do you want to average? Bakuna mdiamano upe goalkeeper papa wo blasters goalkeepers papa wo blasters tani ebe ya uko tournament obi plan obi ba utimi say yes we betimi adam ya the cup tournament there and I will build the blasters here unya good goalkeepers unya good uko tournament unya good goalkeeper it is Otuado trainer scout to say or the blasters tell us in about for Angola Niger match AFCON qualify na based on performance. Say umu ejino na so obwa me say fire burn him to ado obwa and truck say we twa etire Ghana for because Jojo Walakot goalkeeper no only performance biawo Scotland no ni team kura no a bench warmer or tete bench onya bi na ebi okura won seje simple no waye bench warmer na so waye second goalkeeper eti goalkeeper no won sem fata so better blasters eti performance call up no kanu opoa fire burn Otuado trainer scout no fire burn him on kan kure mo on fa national team ni nyen wo pe bia business mo on to aso no go for nye agency players business players a woman sem fata ni wo mo ye average players blasters no say ye blasters also a good goalkeepers, good players, was still performance based there. Onye scouting, you know, nya Quadro scouting, no. Now about 2 World Cup qualifier matches, no, nya win, you know. Okoya Quadro, lazy scouting, one koye scouting, papa, and go on for Walakot, and that's when Bettina blasters or set performance be.
More fire.
1 p.m.
Sure.
1 p.m.
Yeah, better also. Now, where fire birthday, where fire birthday, where a fire birthday.
I in Toronto and throw Wabino coaching bay. Fina Scout is a coaching bay.
More fire.
Let gun and lazy.
More fire. Fire. And that's not fire. And then 100 days of election. Kokromoti power ha. And they had election headquarters. And your pound to ma. And your pound to ma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Sure.
And your pound to mano. Mundi ni kure. Mumie ni kure. Mumie kan kure. As reporters, as a multimedia.
Sure.
Mumie ni kure. Mumie kan kure ma ye ho. Na ye intimi enye day. Enye elections, reporting, any coverage, professional.
More fire.
More fire. To me to about will be able to me to about, but I mean, you have to be professional.
More
as
fire.
Long as we journalists, it's more fire. You
right.
to about pass so you to about Makushini president bia.
More fire. More fire.
And the policies be yejumani and the policies. Yes, o kasa keke. Makujina ona nipa o honti wo se me kasa chire wo mu keke. No policies. Can you say Ubitima is here, Magana, and by this Ubitima?
Yes, we are able to also. We are able to also, yes. Songo Steak, Patrick Osajima, you can call him Countryman Songo, Fireman, and Anamotia, no, aha, at your election headquarters, Kokromoti Power, and then a pound to 100 days. Yes, Odia, now the Assem, into BBA will be an joining 7 a.m. Yeah, no pay, Najumedian Yasha, so na BBA, Aquaso amount, yes. At the Asempa FM, Adom TV, Adom FM, Inshira FM, Portal, so Nina Alpha, yes, into New Day and now the Asemaha, and Abraham Hokanam Day, Akuken Simon, Dean, Irene Yame Bernard, Padboat, your sister Fia, at the health tips at